Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to this edition of the FX case studies of the Pro Forex website. We were supposed to do them yesterday. Actually, we said we were going to do it on Mondays at 1 p.m. and we're actually a day behind. We had some technical difficulties to deal with, so we've gotten it up though. We're ready to go now. And what I have before you is a pound yen trade that we're currently in. So we got in. This is our sell trade. I'm actually testing one of our new Pro Forex Tradematics or auto revs, I should say. This is its name before I actually prepared as the auto rev. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over a particular trade. We're going to try to make this quicker than the last one we did. And what we decided is we're going to do, Nino, which one was it?
We're going to do the pound yen. That was, if you look into
August 20th.
FX signals on August 20th, traded on August 21st.
Beautiful. Okay, so on August 20th, we had a sell at 172.35 on the pound yen. Okay, so it looks like we've been selling the pound yen an awful lot. So we had a sell at 172.35. Now, how did that look? I'm actually wondering if I actually have a video of that. I probably have a video of this. All right, guys, so look, we had a trade here on the pound yen, and I can't find that video for whatever reason. I think I did was on the dollar yen. It was on a different day. So as you know, guys, whenever we have a green highlight, it means that we won a trade. If we have a red highlight, it means we lost a trade. And if it's not highlighted at all, actually, if we have yellow, it means it was a break even. And if it's not highlighted at all, it means that we didn't get an entry for that particular trade. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the pound yen. So we had a sell call at 172.35. So I'm going to go back to 172.35. I'm actually going to open up a new chart so I don't mess with this current trade that we're in. We're currently up, by the way, on this pound yen. $16 pips, and we had 12 pips of risk. Okay, so that's what we had going on there. That's just to give you a current update. That's where we are. I'm going to get a new chart now.
Great 1-to-1 so far.
Great 1-to-1 ratio so far, right? Thanks. I'm pretty sure you took that. In fact, we were online together when you took that trade, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in that trade as well.
Excellent. All right, so I'm going to just put my basic on with my auto rev. So guys, this is how the auto rev works. It's really, really simple, really, really straightforward. And I'm actually going to turn off this particular auto rev so it doesn't take a trade here. And it can't possibly take a trade actually right now because we're already in a trade. In fact, I'll leave it. All right, so what you do is, let's go back to the date in question, which is the 21st. So the 21st, we were looking for a sell at 172.35. Okay, so on the 20th, we made the trade. So this is the, oops, there we go. All right, so the line of demarcation, if you will, between the 20th and the 21st is right here. So this is when the 21st began. Okay, so we made the trade call in here, and then we would have placed our stop loss, or not our stop loss, but our entry line for the auto rev software up at the top at 172.35. Okay, now when price, and this is right at 172.35. Now, when price comes up to that place and gives us a reversal candle, and in this case we have a triple threat formation here and here again. Actually, just here. This is our triple threat formation. So if I go to my triple threat, you can see that this is our triple threat formation. It's right at our area that we're going to be looking for trades. That's our pod. for the day. We're going to sell down off of this. So 172.35. When price comes up to this triple threat and it forms right on it, or at 172.35 was a perfect entry. The software, or you manually if you'd like, is going to use, basically the way I have it set is that we have a 10.5 pip minimum stop loss. So it's going to put a stop loss up here somewhere at 10.5 pips. And then we're going to get a 1-to-1 ratio. You can see that it went down. It got a 2-to-1 ratio, and even going to a 3-to-1 ratio down here at 33 pips. Using a 5-bar trailing stop, it gets us out here, okay, after that point. Actually here. So first position ends up closing out on a 2-to-1 ratio at about 21 pips of profit, and second position gets closed out about 16 pips of profit on the trailing stop. And that's pretty much our pound yen trade. So look, what you want to do is that you basically want to set up your Tribe Forex Auto Rev so it's capable of looking for trades in that vicinity. You simply just take the line and you draw a line. You go here, you draw a line, just place it right where we say to place it, which is at 172.35 or wherever you think it should be. And then the Auto Rev is going to look for opportunities in that vicinity. And when it sees those opportunities, it's going to take those trades, manage those trades, move them to break even, and use a trailing stop to get you out of those trades. And that's exactly what happened, and that's where we're at right now, where we currently are. It's a different opportunity, different trade. And if I go back to the very same thing is what we've done here. We had a line pressed. Where is it? So yeah, as Nino said, we had a line placed at 172.60 here, and you can see that 172.60 is actually right in our range. So it's within 2 pips of our range. When we get that reversal candle, it's automatically going to get, it's going to pick up that 172.60. It's going to pick up that this was a sell reversal candle, and then we have a triple threat as well. So it's going to pick one of the or the other of these trades. Really gives us great opportunities for profitability here. So if we look at this trade, so guys, I'm continually testing this Auto Rev, making it better, but it's supposed to make life really, really easy for you. Okay, and that's pretty much what we're doing here, guys, and this is where what we expect to do going forward. It's really simple, really straightforward. It's not a lot of work. You don't have to confuse anything with anything else. Just to go back here and show you what our trade call was for today, it was on the pound yen, and you can see here that today we've actually won all of our trades that we've taken, the ones that actually hit. The euro dollar never actually got to our entry point, but the dollar Swiss did. We won that. We won the pound dollar yen beautifully. The Aussie dollar was a buy, which I in the trade room did not see that. And the pound yen is a sell at 172.60, and that's what I just highlighted here as well. Nino, do you have anything else that you want to add to this?
No, Marcello, you covered everything.
Great. Guys, we had a trade room yesterday. We're going to have a trade room every Tuesday at 1 a.m. Eastern time, at least and most of them are going to be run by you guys. Okay, so it's going to be you guys running the trade room. Only the senior members, of course, who know the system, who've been a part of this for a long time. I'll be running them usually once per month, and then all of our senior members like Nino, who's been around forever, will be running the trade room, and when you get there, you'll get an opportunity to run the trade room as well, because it's not something that we can't do. This is really very easy to implement. So guys, that's our trade, and that was the pound yen from August 20th trade call, and which was taken on August 21st. If you have any questions about this, simply post it right here. Post it when we post the video. You can post it under the video. You can just post it right here in this section of the website, and either I'll get back to you or somebody else will get back to you. That's what we're here. We're a community. So if you don't get it, we need that you get it. So with that, I will talk to you guys soon. And thank you, Nino, once again for being a part of this FX
Thank you
case
for
study.
having me.
And anybody else who's interested in being a part of the FX case studies, we have them on Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So if you're available and you can make that, it would be great to have you in our session. Just let us know beforehand, and we'll set it up to make sure that you can contribute to the community as a whole. With that, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.